Well, getting the Scirocco worked on some more. He's got it all tore down, pretty much. We're going to tear it down another step further. I'm going to show him how to take this glass out of here. And probably just tear it all the way down. It's easier to make it look better, and you don't have to try and sand around it, mask around it. Lots of rust. Tops of the fenders, like over here, is pretty thin, pretty crunchy. And underneath the fenders, there's rust everywhere. This car came with 1600. This is a 1.8 block that I had, and this head is off of like a Fox, I think, but it's got the big valves in it. And I ported it out, and it's got a cam in it. We're going to put those dual Webers on it. May freshen up the motor a bit. Lots of work to go. Pulled out a bunch of my junk. There's some coilovers, which I don't think we're going to use. This has eye-box springs and Bilstein struts, and one of those is leaking. So I got a couple different clutch options to choose from. There's a metal embedded puck style clutch with the springs on it. I think we're going to use that one. That's a good clutch. It needs a new starter. Got a starter. Here's some bushings for the front struts. Keep that tight. Found some motor mounts. Brace for underneath. A windage tray for the oil pan. I got a different distributor, plus the one that's in the car. You got to get a certain distributor to be able to run the MSD ignition box, because all the fuel injection part of it is going bye-bye. So that'll be cool to get rid of all that. And I have another transmission, which is pretty much brand new except for a gear that I stripped off of it. And it's got limited slip diff in it. So we'll get it stripped down, try and get this bodywork slammed out. It's not going to be a show car job, that's for sure, because you know, the thing's rusted everywhere. Anything you do to it's going to be a waste of time in a few years, so might as well just hash it out, get it shiny, get it one color, and all the other stuff will be bolt-on stuff, which we could unbolt if this car is ever junk and bolt it on another Volkswagen. So we'll just get the body thrashed out, get it one color, get it shiny, drive it. Got it pretty much stripped down now. We're going to weld up a few holes, get some Bondo on it, and hopefully get the shell and primer today. And then worry about the rest, like this stuff. Lots of holes, lots of rust in the floor. Looking pretty ugly right now. Pretty ugly, pretty messy.